channel. Today we have a try on haul video from Simplerare. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. My name is Fabiola for those of you that don't know me, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I would really love it if you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. Make sure to click that notification bell and also follow me on my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. I also wanted to let you guys know that I will be having a 7-day giveaway for my Vlogmas video. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on those amazing prizes for this giveaway. I am so excited. I've never done like a Vlogmas kind of a video, so this will be like my first, and I will be including like a gift in every video, so don't miss out on that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, I have a try on haul video. I picked up some items from the website Simplerare.com, and they have like really nice clothing. So I went on the website and just got like a couple items to make like a combination, a different look with items that I already have. So I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. I really love to shop in like different places. I don't just stick to one because I do love creating different kinds of reviews and try on hauls, and I want to let you guys know of like new stores that I personally like. So I hope you guys enjoy this try on haul video from Simplerare. Make sure you check out the links to all the items I will mention in the video. They're going to be down there below. Let's go ahead and get started with look number 1. So here's outfit number 1, and I am wearing this adorable blouse from Simplerare. It has like a v-neck. It's called a simple button detail blouse, and it has like a v-neck. They also have it in a round neck. I got it in this beautiful white color, and I love this top. It's made of this like incredibly soft material. It's super soft, and it has these like button details on both sides of the sleeves, which adds like a lot of detail to the blouse, and it also has buttons in the back. So it has like buttons all through the back of the top, which I think is so cute. And I just paired it up with these jeans, and then my Gucci belt and these black boots. So up next for outfit number 2, I have this adorable blazer, also from Simplerare, and it's made of this like extremely soft material as well. So soft, and I love the material. And I believe they also had it in a different color, but I chose this light gray because I don't have anything like this, and I just think light gray goes with everything. But oh my goodness, I'm in love with this. It's like the perfect size. It does have this like pocket detail. It's just, you know, for the detail. It's not an actual pocket. It's such like a nice detail to add to like any outfit. It just makes it look more put together. So I styled it up with this like tank top, like a white tank top underneath. You could also like choose like a printed top. It would look really pretty. Again, I'm still pairing it up with like the same jeans and my Gucci belt and then some boots. But I adore this blazer, you guys.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind.
So this next top, you guys, is definitely one of my favorites. I absolutely adore this top. It is so beautiful, and I love all the detail on it. So this top right here has this like gorgeous beaded detail all in the front right here, and it closes down with this like ribbon in the back. Super comfortable, and I love the quality on the top. It's like really soft, stretchy material. It's an off the shoulder top, which is extremely beautiful. I love like off the shoulder tops. You can like even like make it to go like lower, or if you don't like it as low, you can always, you know, push it back up a little bit. But oh my goodness, I love this top. So I paired it up with these like black dressy pants, And then these like high heels. Look at the detail on the front right here. It has like little pearl beads and then like little rhinestones all throughout the top and like in the neck area. So it's beautiful. Like you don't even have to wear a necklace with this. This is like definitely like the statement of the whole top.
I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came, now I see in color.
So for this last outfit, I am wearing this adorable blouse. It's a tie collar blouse and it is gorgeous. It has this like sheerness on the sleeves and also in the back, but the actual blouse itself in the front is like double lined, so you don't have to worry about it being like too sheer or anything, which I really love. And then it has this gorgeous detail here, like this bow detail in the neck, which is so elegant and beautiful. Love it. And it's also made of this like super soft material. Absolutely adore this top. So I paired it up with this faux leather skirt or vegan skirt, and then I paired it up with these booties, which are more like dressy. They have like more like stiletto to them. So yeah, this is the last outfit from Simplerare. Definitely love this top. Those were all the items from Simplerare. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite item, and I will leave you guys a coupon code link down there as well. Make sure to check it out. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.